Hello, in today's video, I'll be sharing some tips on how to enhance the visual appeal and user friendliness of your dynamic calendar. You might remember from my previous video that I introduced a dynamic calendar that allows you to customize the month, year, and even start the week on either Sunday or Monday. If you haven't seen that video yet, you can find the link to it in the description below. Let's begin by restoring the default formatting. I have removed any previous fill colors and borders to give us a clean slate and start fresh. As you can see, all the dates in our calendar currently have the same appearance, making it challenging to distinguish between the current month, previous month, and next month's dates. To tackle this issue, first step is to apply formatting that will help us differentiate the previous month's dates. Let's begin by selecting the dates in the first row, B6 to H6. Now head over to the Format tab and click on Conditional Formatting. A dialog box will appear. From the Format Cells drop-down menu, choose Custom Formula and in the provided text box, enter the formula equals day B6 greater than 7 and also add formatting style. I'm opting for grey font color, but feel free to do whatever feels right for you. Now let me break down this formula for you. What I'm doing here is checking if the day of the date in cell B6 is greater than 7. Why is this important? Well, dates beyond the 7th day are likely to be from the previous month. By applying this custom formula to the first row, we effectively highlight and differentiate the tail end of the previous month's dates. It's a clever use of a conditional formatting that instantly brings clarity to our calendar. As I have just distinguished the previous month's dates, let's now turn attention to identifying potential dates from the next month. For this, I have used a formula on the last two rows of the calendar. In the conditional formatting dialog box, I clicked add rule and now I'm entering a different formula equals day B10 is less than 15. Let me break down this formula for you. The day B10 extracts the day component from the date in cell B10. The condition less than 15 checks if the day is less than 15. And why 15? Well, if the day is less than 15, we are likely dealing with the first half of the month, which often contains dates from the next month. So, in essence, this formula helps us highlight and distinguish dates in the first half of the month in the last two rows, which are potential dates from the next month. Now that we have identified and differentiated the dates in our calendar, let's give it a visually appealing touch by updating colors and adding some structure. Select the header row, then click the fill color icon. You'll see a pop-up box. You can either pick a color or drop in a hex code. I'm going for a gray with hex code and I'll click OK. And we have got a sleek gray header. To keep it readable, I'll change the font color to white. And now similarly, I'll change the fill color of days row. And I'll again change the font color to white. Moving on to the dates from B6 to H11. Again click the fill color icon. And for a clean look, I'm using hex code F8, F9, FA. And I'll keep the font color black. So I'm done with colors. Now to add a bit more structure, I have included white borders to the days row, providing a neat separation. Similarly for the dates B6 to H11, I have used the same color for border as the headers fill color. Moving right along, let's add a special touch to our calendar by highlighting today's date. And here is how you can do it. Start by selecting all the dates in the calendar. Just click and drag from the first date to the last. Now head over to conditional formatting and click on add another rule. In the format rules, look for date is in the first drop down, and in the second drop down, select today. Now, here comes the fun part. Choose a fill color for today's date, something that stands out but still vibes with your calendar style. Now, click OK, and there you have it. Today's date is now shining bright, ready to catch your eye whenever you glance at your calendar. It's these little details that make your spreadsheet not just functional but also a joy to use. With distinct colors and borders, you can effortlessly spot previous, current, and next month's dates. The added touch of highlighting today's date ensures it catches your eye right away. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you found the video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you're always in the loop about my new content.